Welcome to the transformative and tumultuous aftermath of the American Civil War, a period that reshaped every facet of the nation. As the smoke cleared, the United States embarked on an ambitious plan known as Reconstruction, aimed at reconciling the North and South and integrating freed slaves into society. Politically, the Reconstruction Acts of 1867 radically restructured the South. These acts divided Southern states into military districts and mandated new constitutions that enfranchised black men while ensuring ratification of the 14th Amendment, granting citizenship and equal protection under the law to all born or naturalized in the U.S. Economically, the South was in ruins. The once thriving plantations lay devastated, and with the abolition of slavery, the region faced the daunting task of transforming its labor system. Sharecropping emerged, trapping many in cycles of debt and poverty. Meanwhile, the North experienced an industrial boom, expanding railroads and factories, paving the way for America's rise as an industrial powerhouse. Socially, the end of the Civil War marked a significant shift. The 13th Amendment abolished slavery, but this did not end the struggle for the freedmen, who faced violence, discrimination, and systemic challenges like the Black Codes and Jim Crow laws. Despite these barriers, Reconstruction governments laid the groundwork for public education and civil rights, though these efforts met considerable opposition. The legacy of Reconstruction is complex. The Compromise of 1877 ended the period with federal troops withdrawing from the South, leading to a resurgence of segregation and disenfranchisement. Yet this era also set the stage for future civil rights movements, with the principles of the 14th and 15th Amendments eventually becoming cornerstones in the fight for equality. In this lesson, we delve into how the Civil War's aftermath was not just a period of rebuilding, but also of profound change, laying the foundations for the ongoing struggle to define freedom, citizenship, and justice in America. This era, marked by both progress and setbacks, remains a pivotal chapter in the nation's history, reflecting its continuous quest to become a more perfect union.